Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can download TikTok video. To start, open your TikTok app and then select the video that you want to download. For example, I want to download this video. So what I'm going to do is just to press this video until you see these options. Now right at the third option you can see Save Video. Just tap on that. When you tap on this Save Video, it will automatically download the video on your gallery. You can do this in any of the videos that you want to download. And that's it! If you have questions or suggestions, leave your comment at the comment section. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.